Imagine a world where messages vanish into thin air, only to reappear when you least expect it. This is the magic of invisible ink. Invisible ink has been used for centuries to send secret messages. It's like something straight out of a spy movie. Invisible ink isn't magic, though. It's science. It's all about chemical reactions and clever techniques that trick the eye. Let's delve into the fascinating world of invisible ink and uncover its secrets. Some of the most effective invisible inks come from the most ordinary sources. You might be surprised to learn that items you have in your kitchen right now can be used to create secret messages. Lemons, for example, contain citric acid. This natural acid is not only great for adding flavor to your dishes, but also has a unique property when it comes to paper. This acts as a weak acid that weakens the paper. When you apply lemon juice to paper, it remains invisible until you apply heat. When heated, the treated area turns brown, faster revealing the message. This is because the citric acid in the lemon juice reacts with the heat, causing the paper to burn at a lower temperature. Milk is another common household item that can be used as invisible ink. The proteins in milk are invisible when dry, but turn brown when heated. The proteins in milk are invisible when dry, but turn brown when heated. This is because the heat causes the proteins to break down, revealing the hidden message. This is because the heat causes the proteins to break down. The process is similar to how lemon juice works, but with a different chemical reaction. This creates a visible change on the paper. The once invisible writing becomes clear and readable. These are just a couple of examples of how everyday substances can be transformed into secret writing tools. There are many other household items that can be used in similar ways. The natural world is full of hidden surprises. From the kitchen to the garden, you never know what secret tools you might discover. Many types of invisible ink rely on chemical reactions to make them visible. These reactions can be triggered by various means, such as heat, light, or the application of another chemical. The science behind invisible ink is both fascinating and practical, often used in espionage and secret communications throughout history. One common method is to use a substance that reacts with another substance to create a color change. This reaction can be quite dramatic, with colors shifting from clear to vibrant hues, making the hidden message suddenly appear as if by magic. For example, writing with a solution of phenolphthalein will remain invisible until it is exposed to an alkaline solution like ammonia. This type of reaction is not only useful but also visually striking, as the phenolphthalein turns a bright pink when it comes into contact with the alkaline substance. Another method utilizes heat to reveal the hidden message. When the paper is heated, the invisible ink undergoes a chemical change that makes it visible. This technique has been used for centuries, from ancient civilizations to modern-day spycraft. Cobalt chloride, for instance, is invisible when applied as a dilute solution. This chemical is particularly interesting because it changes color in response to temperature changes, making it a popular choice for secret messages. When heated, it dehydrates and turns blue, exposing the secret writing. This color change is not only effective but also quite striking, making the hidden message stand out clearly. These chemical reactions might seem like something out of a science lab, but they can be recreated with relatively simple ingredients. Many of these experiments can be done at home with items you might already have in your kitchen or garage. It's a testament to how science can be found in the most unexpected places. From the kitchen to the classroom, the principles of chemistry are all around us, waiting to be discovered and explored. Section 4. Invisible ink in history, from ancient Rome to wartime espionage. Invisible ink has a long and fascinating history, dating back to ancient times. It has been a tool of secrecy and intrigue, used by scholars, spies, and even lovers to convey hidden messages. Pliny the Elder, a Roman scholar, described the use of plant sap to write secret messages. This early form of invisible ink was simple yet effective, allowing messages to be hidden in plain sight. During World War I, spies used invisible ink to communicate sensitive information across enemy lines. The stakes were high, and the need for secure communication was paramount. One particularly intriguing method involved using semen as invisible ink. This unconventional choice was due to its availability and the fact that it was less likely to be detected by enemy forces. While seemingly bizarre, the organic fluids acted as an effective invisible ink due to its reaction with certain chemicals. This method was a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of those involved in espionage. It highlights the resourcefulness employed throughout history in the pursuit of clandestine communication. Various substances, from lemon juice to milk, have been used to create invisible ink. From ancient Rome to the battlefields of World War I, invisible ink has played a crucial role in shaping history. It has been a silent witness to many pivotal moments, helping to safeguard secrets and strategies. It provides a unique glimpse into the clandestine world of secrets and espionage. The evolution of invisible ink reflects the ever-changing nature of human ingenuity and the constant quest for secure communication. Section 5. The enduring allure of invisible ink. The world of invisible ink is a fascinating blend of science, history, and intrigue. It shows us that even the most ordinary substances can hold extraordinary secrets. Whether it's lemon juice, milk, or sophisticated chemical compounds, invisible ink continues to captivate our imaginations. Next time you see a lemon or a glass of milk, remember their hidden potential. They're not just food and drink, they're tools of secret communication just waiting to be discovered.